Hi guys, here we are at Rowston level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. It's not me. There we go, time is 20:43 on Tuesday the 23rd of May 2015. This is for our 2050 621 Echo Freightliner service from Lindsay Oil Refinery to Ipswich.
SS.
What does SS stand for?
What do you think I'm going to search for?
Right. Expected past 2042. Well, it's gone up again now, but it's still 2050. It was 2042. It's gone back to its normal time again.
Because it's not a Schutzstaffel, not a Nazi party. Stainless steel. Sanitary station. Well, it could be anything. It could be sanitary station.
And it's sanitary station, isn't it?
Let's see what this freight's had to stop. Doncaster. It stopped at Doncaster. It's stopping at...
That's his goals.
It can't be time and set it up because she was covered by now.
Here she is.
Ah.
Yeah, it's a Freightliner.
66,532.
You've got that in there.
Oh dear, that a hike, mate, Joe.
Yeah.
Oh, freighter, 66,532. That's gonna be nowhere near, so I don't care. Oh.
We've got
66,5. We've got.
Oh, there's only three oil containers.
Hey.
Only 3 oil containers. 66,541. 66,541 to Ipswich and up they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.